How to connect Quickbooks to your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to connect QuickBook Online to integrate into your Wix website. So guys, it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how it's done. So the first step you need to do is to create or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made one. So when you're already creating your Wix account, or if you have already made one, you will see this dashboard where you need to go and click create new site button. So it's going to load a bit, we just need to wait a bit to it to load, and it's going to offer us their AI chat, but we don't really need it right now, so just click setup without chat and we are good to go creating our website. Next step, you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So it could be a real estate agent like in my other example, but today we are creating an online store, for example. Then click continue and it's going to prepare your dashboard. The next step is you need to create a name. When it's done loading, it's going to offer you to add a name for your website. As you can see, everything should be working right now. Okay, so right now you're setting up your store name. I'll give it an example name just in case to show you how it's done. Then click continue, and it's going to ask you, do you already have an online store, if you have managed to write an online store. So if you have one, click on yes, I am already selling online, and if you don't, click just no, I'm just starting out. I click no, I'm just starting out, and then continue. So next step is you need to choose what kind of products are you selling. So it could be physical products, drop shipping products, services, digital products, or print on demand products. So click on physical products if you would like to sell physical products, whatever you like, put a tick right here. So then click continue, and it's going to ask us how we are offering our products: by an online store, in person, by the mobile app, or by the marketplaces and social media. I'm just put a tick on online store and then click continue. Okay, we are all set. Then click continue to dashboard when you are ready creating these first steps. Okay, we loaded our dashboard, and the next thing we need to do to add the QuickBooks. So we need to go to the left side of the page where you can see the apps. Next thing, it's going to show you the apps that you have already added, that you have already in your website, and you need to go to the app market to see the website. So here you need to go to QuickBook. So in the search bar you need to write QuickBook. So it's right here, QuickBooks. So in order to connect the QuickBooks app, you need to use this app, QuickBooks Connector. So click on it. It's going to load a bit. So what the QuickBooks does is it connects right now this app integrate QuickBooks Online to your site. QuickBook Connector overview, so you can eliminate human error from manual data entry between your QuickBooks Online and your website. Automatically create sales in your QuickBooks Online for orders made on your site, including associated customers, products, taxes, and payments. Their customer champions are happy to get you up and running, available to chat live in app or on our website or via email. Important: QuickBooks Connector is compatible with the most web browsers, however it's not compatible with the Safari. And you can, by the QuickBooks, you can automate your accounting by using the QuickBooks Connector app to start syncing sales from your site to your existing QuickBooks Online account. You can save hours of manually entering invoices, customers, and products from one app to another. So in order to add it to your site, you need to firstly go to the editor before you can use QuickBooks connector, place Wix stores in the editor and save your site. So we'll go to the editor of the website, and it's going to offer us two variants on how we can create our website. So we can generate a design with AI, or we can work on a already made template. So I'm going to choose pick a template. I just click on pick a template and we are ready to go. So here you see a browser of the most beautiful templates that are connected to the online store. So you just choose by your heart whatever best suits you. So for example, I'll go with train of thought, personal blog template. I just click on edit and it's going to load our editor's page. Okay, so we just need to wait a bit for it to load. Okay, it have loaded successfully, just adding the final touches right now. It's going to add the Wix stores that we need. Okay, everything is ready. Here we just need to go. No, it's not ready. Need to wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, what we should do is we go to the left side of the page, and here you see a section with add apps. We just need to quickly go right here and search here the QuickBooks. So here it is, the QuickBooks connector. We just add it to site, and it's going to open this additional thing, adding QuickBooks connector, agree and add. Okay, so now it's preparing the Wix integrations to load. Okay, I don't really have a QuickBook page, but if you have, it will load a page to connect the website correctly right into here. It will be shown. I hope you have understood how to connect QuickBooks into the Wix website. You just use the app called QuickBook Connector and you're good to go. So thank you for your attention and goodbye.